Hey y'all, got the kitty in the garage today. How you doing, Mr. Viper? You being a good boy today? He likes to help me in the garage working on the Boston Whaler, which I just wanted to make a little quick update of the Boston Whaler. And Viper really is interested in helping you guys out with that. So, if you guys look at the first video, you can see I made a little bit of progress. Now I do have a lot of stuff here to kind of like block some of the progress I've done, but whenever I started working on this boat, you know, my dad worked on it, I don't know, 10 years ago, maybe a little bit less. Somewhere around that. The boat had a lot of like the dark blue paint on it, which there's still pieces here and there that we need to work on. Some of it's very stubborn, and most of that stubborn stuff is right here. And if you move farther towards the front of the boat, this is kind of where I'm still needing to make quite a bit of progress on this. So for this, especially for the textured surface, I will say, I've been getting some pretty good luck out of this stuff. These things are super hard to open, but fairly cost effective, safe and effective, earth friendly. I will say this stuff doesn't make a really nasty smell, which is nice. And that stuff, it's kind of like a gel. You just kind of put it down, like I've been putting it down with this little scalpel thing. I don't know, whatever, paint and everything. Anyways, I put it down with that, kind of get like a nice little even surface, maybe like, you know, I don't know, six, I don't know. It's, you know, just a, you know, generous amount, but like not crazy. Just putting it like everywhere here. And then I kind of just use like a wire brush and kind of wipe it up and go through a lot of paper towels, I've gone through one roll so far, just doing like half of this boat. And that isn't even like the full thing, really. God, Viper. Really interesting being over me. But right now I'm kind of working on this section. You can kind of see like the part I just finished up on, and need to wipe up that stuff that I kind of used the steel wool to kind of, you know, agitate the surface a little bit, using a little bit of the brush too, but on the flat surfaces it seems to work best with the steel wool, which thankfully my dad has plenty of that in here, which is nice. Viper's just purring like crazy over there. But yeah, so that's working pretty well to get this stuff off of there. Still need to do plenty of that, but you can see like I've gone like all around like the edges of the boat and stuff, so I think it's looking pretty good. Might need another second look over like certain areas, but I think we're getting there. So just kind of want to show you guys this little quick update. Oh yeah, and the stuff I'm using here is kind of like, I don't know, it's like some spray orange stuff. The smell isn't too bad, but you know, whenever you have a lot of that all over you, oh my gosh, Mr. Viper, you're so lovable today, aren't you? It does kind of suck in an enclosed area. You're not supposed to use that stuff in an enclosed area. Thankfully, this stuff seems to not bother me too much, so I'm trying to use more so of that. And then I have been using a little bit of goof off too. Sometimes, like if I go over like an area with this stuff first, and then go over with like some goof off and like the tough areas, seems to work out pretty well. Of course, wearing gloves, but I will say I definitely did. You know, I just bought gloves. Yeah, those are absolutely terrible. The paint thinner just goes right through that stuff. But yeah, anyways, just want to give you guys a quick little update. I did buy an outboard for this boat as well. Went ahead and bought a brand new 2023 Honda 30 horsepower tiller. I was trying to get a 40 because I looked up somewhere and it said you could get a 40 on this boat, but it's a 15-inch transom here, and apparently all the 40s are 20-inch transoms. Also, this boat is old enough that there's no hull identification number anywhere. I think the only identification number is underneath the storage area at the front. So that's all we got there. But yeah. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video. We got a big storm coming in, so I hope you guys have fun with that. Stay warm out there. Got the heater in here to keep me warm. And me and the kitty cat, of course, who just loves rubbing his chin on every single surface possible. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Later.